of cloud drift across the sky. Migrating birds have lost their way. Our lives are just the same as theirs, wandering without a place to stay. Like birds that fly with no direction, searching for a distant shore. Tell me now where we are going. What are we still flying for? This bird, where will you go? Softly burning, holding joys from passing days. Life reveals its deeper flavor as the world in kindness stays. All the light it gives around me, thinking of tomorrow's rest. I will pause beneath the sunset, let my weary heart be blessed. Live in hope and face tomorrow. Walk ahead and take it slow in the peace beneath the sunset. Let your restless spirit go. Heave ahead, hopeless bird, where will you go? Live in hope and face tomorrow. In that peace we'll find our remember my hometown when I was young, walking to school hand in hand with friends, playing soccer, running through the schoolyard. I walked along the mountain path where azaleas bloomed so beautifully. With a child's small heart, I couldn't even pick a single flower. Today again, as I look ahead and walk that road, I ran through the narrow mountain path. The road where I played as a child, that road with my friends, is it still there now? Oh, my friend, we talked and laughed together. I will bring you an armful remember my hometown when I was young, running with friends, swimming in the stream, the place where we caught fish. I jumped into the clear flowing water, and without knowing the time, we played there all day long. Today again, as I walk and look at that road, right on through the place where I once played. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. The place where I played as a child, that road with my friends, is it still there now? Oh, my friend, we talked and laughed together. I will bring you an armful of flowers. Dressed neatly, I will come to meet you, my friend from childhood.
A flock of seagulls crying clear, as if about to rise, yet lingering in the sky, between the paths of ships long gone. The playful fish leap up, as though to catch my eye, gathered close in childish play, then suddenly they were gone. What we thought was only play was never play at all. What we called a simple game, Kriya, 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 together like those seagulls wheeling high, now fading far beyond the sky. The blue sea sways as if it dances between the breaking waves. Beloved hands once waving gently leave a deeper ache. When we were together we never knew, but after parting, now it's true. What we thought was only play was never play at all. What we called a simple game, carried on the ocean wind, we let our love go drifting by, yet now it burns more deep within. southern hometown sky, the moon is rising slow, looking for the heart I lost so long ago. In that southern sky tonight, the silver light is clear. I lived as if my missing heart just disappeared. Then suddenly I wonder when did it slip away? Underneath the moonlight bright, I find my heart today. I see myself again. In the sky of home I left, the daylight's fading low. Faces that I used to love begin to glow. In that quiet evening sky, soft memories remain. I lived as if my dearest friends were lost in vain. Then suddenly I wonder when did they fade away? Underneath the moonlight bright, I find my heart today. I see myself again.
I will love you for all of my life, all the days we have walked side by side, like a lantern of memories bright. They pass before my eyes tonight. All the hardships we leave behind, standing here in this moment in time. Now I see your face aglow, shining more than you could know. At last I reach and hold your hand. Those silent were the trials we had. Lines of time upon your face, just to see your eyes makes the weary seasons fly. All the days that once were pain fade away like summer rain. Standing here I clearly see how your light still shines on me. At last I reach and hold your hand. Those silent were the trials we had. Lines of time upon your face, still your faithful heart remained. Through the years that would not hurry, we have met this day in glory. I will love you endlessly.
There's a name I wanna call tonight. Suddenly it's on my mind. A name that lingers on my lips, soft as wine. We used to share a love so deep. Your name still whispers in my sleep. Do you ever think of me the way I do? I can't let go. I call your name through the echoes of yesterday. Those reckless days have slipped away, but I still miss you more each day. Oh, when I close my eyes, I see your face, hear the words you used to say. You told me that you love me so in your gentle way. You were always by my side, sharing joy and quiet nights. Do you ever wonder now if I'm alright? I can't forget
beside an empty cup. Warm coffee slowly fills it up. Thinking that the space was mine, I stayed there for a little time. Then a splash came pouring down, pushed the quiet air around. Empty places call my name, then they push me out again. Air that drifted far away, what was on your mind today? Did you lose your everything, living like a wandering thing? Did you lose your everything, living like a wandering thing? Round and round the spinning chair, I wish I could be sitting there. If I sat there just one day, how would life just drift away? Round and round the chair would spin, maybe I could laugh again. Maybe someday time will bring little joys and simple things. For a moment I just stand, stopping where I used to run, looking back the road I've known. Then I walk the road alone, looking back the road I've known. Then I walk the road have thrown body in time that fly, throw mind in time that fly, leave and descend my mind, dung 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 like fallen leaves, sag boundlessly, we were just tired, immeasurably sag boundlessly. Time that flow and abandon, time that throw in water can find again. When my time that who live so far away, where are you now? What fills your days along a road so rough and long? That distant road we journey on. This endless road, so hard and wide, we walk it still side by side. Though sometimes grief may cloud our eyes, and we must fight through pain inside. There will be days of joy again, when we will smile without the pain. For this long road is yours and mine, the path we share through space and time, the road that all of us must find. When I think of you, I hide a quiet smile. I hold your thoughts within my heart all the while. Though we may stand so far apart, we walk together in the dark. So many miles we've walked before, and still we carry hope once more. Those weary days we can't forget, the weight we bore, the tears we've mined.